Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we're talking about some makeup that I'm just not inspired by, and I'm just gonna get rid of because it's just sitting around collecting dust and getting old. We're just gonna jump right into it. The first thing is this loose powder. I got this and I used this in, it was a Marshall, like it was called like makeup, doing my makeup with stuff I found at Marshall's or TJ Maxx or something. And this is by the brand Absolute New York. This is the HD Flawless Setting Powder. It was a nice setting powder, but I never reached for it. All right, the next is by Catrice, and I love Catrice cosmetics, but this just didn't do anything for me. This is the Precious Copper eyeshadow palette. Again, it's nice. I don't know, I guess I just expected more of like a wow factor. And I know it's not very expensive, so I just shut up and take it, but I never use it, so I'm gonna pass it on. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. This is a huge cult classic, people love it, and it's beautiful. I don't have any complaints about it, but I never reached for it. The next is by Physicians Formula, and this is supposed to be a butter blush, but it's not. It's like a highlight. This is a blush for anyone. It's for someone with translucent skin, but I never touch it. All right, the next is, I only swatched this on my hand. I knew it wasn't a color I was gonna love. This is by Tarte, and this is the Tarte's Lip Paint in Get It. It's just a nice kind of pumpkin-y, coral, nude color. Very nice, but I'm not a fan of the color. All right, the next is yet another highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. Again, like cult classic, fuzz on me somewhere. Tons of YouTubers swear by this. It's too dark for me. I mean, it's just too dark. All right, the next is another highlighter. This is the Becca Amethyst highlighter. I'm just so over this holographic pink purple highlight. I just think it looks ridiculous on me. It doesn't compliment me, so there's no reason I should keep it. This is the Prosecco Pop, again by Becca. Again, really nice. Too deep for my skin tone. It's just at that gray area that maybe I could get away with it, but I don't like gold highlighters. I don't think they compliment me, and I just think they kind of look silly on my skin. The next is by L'Oreal. This is one of their infallible lip paints. In Moonlust, it's like their metallics. It just didn't do anything for me. I don't look good in like subtle metallic colors. I mean, I don't particularly think I look great in any metallic colors, but the subtle ones just kind of age me, I feel like. I don't know. I just imagine being a kid and seeing like an elderly lady wearing them like in the 80s or 90s. This I actually just hauled, and it's the Essence Metal Shock Lip Paint. It's a beautiful color. It's like a goldish green, but it's too translucent. Like, it just doesn't look right. I wanted it just to be more opaque, and it just wasn't. From the Trolls, the MAC Trolls collection, this is the Play It Proper Beauty Powder. I'm still not 100% sure what this is for. I saw Candy Johnson used it and I was intrigued, so I went and got it. It's kind of like, it could be a really subtle, you know, like it's reflective. It could be a really subtle highlight, but like she used it, I don't remember where the hell she used it. I feel like she used it all over her face or under her eyes, but I feel like it's just too iridescent to use under her eyes, like it's too pinky white. I don't know, I just didn't get it. Flutter London. This is the Fancy Flutter eyeshadow duo. Like a really pretty champagne color. Uh-oh. Oh God. I'm so over colors like this, I can't even take it. There's nothing wrong with any of these products. They're just not products that worked for me. I'm really sad about, I really wanted to love this. This is by Manic Panic, and it's the color Deadly Nightshade. It's like this deep, dusty purple color. It's gorgeous, but I look like a moron with it on. Who's getting who? My ColourPop. This is one of their highlighters, and it's the color S'il vous plaît, or I think that's what it's called. I really wanted to love these. You know, it looks alright right there, but these are so like chalky and chunky. I just wish the formula was a little bit smoother, like as smooth as their eyeshadows are. I wish they were that smooth, but I feel like it looks messy when I put it on. That was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed, hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted to when I upload again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.